So again, first time in a long time heading out on the trail. It is a Monday, so hopefully I have the trail all to myself. Bit of a late start, had night shift last night, so I got home in the early hours of the morning, couple hours sleep. Checked the weather forecast, it looked quite good. Should get into the minuses overnight actually. And yeah, chucked all my stuff in the pack. Bit of a rush, so we'll see what I forgot. So it is just after 12:30 and finally on the trail. Just hit this big nice fire trail, hopefully speed up a little bit, chew up the kilometers and get to camp. At the moment the idea and the prediction is about an hour before sunset, which will give me plenty of time to set everything up and chill out. Sticking with plan A being camping by the river rather than heading all the way up to Solitary, but we'll see what the day brings. So far so good, only averaging about 4.5 k's back when I was on the single trail, a little bit windy, up down, this and that, but yeah, plan is to really speed it up now and chew up some kilometers as quickly as possible. So it's coming up to about an hour 20 in, and just stopping here for no other reason other than just to have a bit of a break. Don't want to get into the trap of going for too long, feeling good, and then just suddenly crashing. So every kind of 60-90 minutes, depending on the train, just going to stop for 5, eat some food, make sure I drink plenty of water, and that way hopefully stay feeling good the whole way. So as a snack for today, 2 things. Got some chips and also some carrots, so something nice and fresh and something a little bit salty, so it makes a really good combination. Starting to get a little grade over, but just before I lost reception about 20 minutes ago, I had a quick check at the forecast and still not meant to have any rain. It is meant to be cloudy, but if it rains, so be it. I'm still so glad I came out here. Everything's going really well, feeling really good, so yeah, gonna get some food in and continue on. So dinner's all done, enjoying my mead, fire's still going strong. And another thing that I'm using for the first time camping, although I've used it for canyoning and a few other activities, is my Garmin InReach. Messaged my wife earlier that I'm at my site, at the campsite, you know, safe and sound, and just got a weather forecast for the rest of today and tomorrow, and everything's kind of looking good. So really cool little bit of kit. I think I will definitely have an early night, considering I only got a couple of hours last night. I think for the time being I am gonna sign off here for tonight. So that's the end of day one as far as the filming is concerned, and see you on day two. Good night. So all packed up, it is just after 9:30, so a little bit ahead of schedule. I did want to leave definitely before 10. Really hard to say goodbye to this place, but it's time to head back. About 4-hour hike back up, and it's a lot more uphill because it was majority downhill yesterday. I am heading back the same way. So nothing too interesting to show or say. I'll probably do a little bit of filming But if I don't do any more talking, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe if you're into kind of outdoorsy content, not just camping, but I also do some canyoning, kayaking, paragliding, climbing, things like that. So yeah, if you subscribe, thank you so much. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye for now.